Sargam Dhawan Bhayana and I am the director at Paul Pender's Botanicals, which is the world's first vegan and cruelty-free skincare brand. So today I'm going to be showing you a few DIY vegan skincare masks. I use these very regularly and they've really helped my skin. So I would recommend all of you also to sort of use them. They'll really be beneficial. So the first mask I'm going to be talking about is an dried orange peel and a rose water mask. So what I've actually done is that I had bought oranges and after they were eaten, the peels I dried them out in the sun for a few hours. I put them in a grinder, I grinded them and they became a really fine paste like this. So I am just going to take about this much and put it in a bowl. So this smells like, it'll smell a lot like oranges, of course, because they are orange peels. So and then I'm going to just take rose water, any rose water, whichever brand you prefer, and I put in about, again, 1 teaspoon of the rose water and I just mix it up. You can add more, you can add less according to how much you want. I don't like to put I don't like to make it very thick on my skin because I don't think that helps in any way. So this is how the mask will look once it's made. So and then just apply it, leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll start to feel it's dried on your skin. Go and wash it off with just water. Do not use a face wash, just regular water. Make sure the water is also just regular tap water, not too cold, not hot, just room temperature tap water. So what this mask essentially does is, so orange peels are really good for your skin. They help fight away blemishes, they keep acne at bay, and it'll also give you a natural glow. And of course, rose water in these summers is really good because it cools your skin down. So this is one pack I use almost 3 times a week. So this is the first mask. I use it, like I said, 3 times a week. The second mask I'm going to be showing you all is actually a banana, turmeric and a mint mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take like a small banana, peel it, use about 3/4 of the banana, and I'm just going to take a fork and really mash up the banana really well. So once the banana is mashed up, I'm going to add, again, not even one actually, about a little more than half a teaspoon of turmeric, and these are just some fresh mint leaves, and I am just going to tear them apart with my hand and just put it in. So this mask, I do advise that wear like a rough t-shirt when you're applying this mask, because this mask does tend to it tends to fall a lot, but it's a great mask. And I am just going to mix all these together. So essentially, when you're mixing this, even though the mint leaves are just like, they're right in the middle of this, but what we actually need is that once we break them, the juices from the mint leaves go inside this mask, which is very important, which is why I broke it with my hand instead of cutting it with a knife or something like that. So and then I'll just apply it. For this mask I recommend applying it with your hand, so make sure your hands are clean, and just apply it all over your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Again, wash it off with just water, room temperature regular tap water. What this mask does is that, so banana is very rich in potassium, so it really hydrates your skin well. It will keep your pores clean. And the turmeric, of course, turmeric has many benefits. So for skin, it reduces blemishes. If you have acne scars, it'll sort of start to fade away your acne scars. And it's also really good to keep your skin healthy and supple. And then mint leaves, I just add mint leaves because it's very hot. Our skin tends to react in the summers, so this sort of just calms your skin down. It keeps it it keeps it kind of cool, so there's no acne breakout because of heat, and you're not getting any rashes. So this is my second mask. Again, so I use this about maybe once a week, not more than that. And these are the two masks. They're absolutely vegan. They're made from ingredients available in all our houses. So I recommend using them, and let me know how you like them after you use them. Thank you.